Hello everyone, welcome to Gossip Guest. I am going to discuss about Gilbert Ryle's category mistake in the contrary of Descartes' dualism. Summary of all the points Descartes makes for dualism is: there is a radical split between the body and mind. Learning belongs exclusively to the mind. The mind is a pure and indivisible, while the body is a composite and divisible. Therefore, the mind and the body cannot compose of the same thing. I am a distinct thinking thing. I believe my body is a distinct non-thinking thing. Therefore, I am a separate from my body and can exist without it. I can doubt that I have a body. I cannot doubt that I am. Therefore, the mind and the body are separate. The term category mistake was introduced by Gilbert Ryle in his book The Concept of Mind in 1949 to remove what he argued to be a confusion over the nature of mind born from Cartesian metaphysics. Ryle goes on to argue that the Cartesian dualism of mind and body rests on a category mistake. Ryle argued that the idea of the soul, which he described as the ghost in the machine, was a category mistake. He argued that it was a mistake in the use of language. The mistake was that it resulted in people speaking of the mind and the body as different phenomena, as the soul was something identifiably extra within a person. He alleged that it was a mistake to treat the mind as an object made of an immaterial substance, because predication of substance are not meaningful for a collection of position and capacities. The phrase is introduced in the first chapter of his book The Concept of Mind. The first example is of a visitor to Oxford. The visitor, upon viewing the colleges and library, reportedly inquired, "But where is the university?" The visitor's mistake is presuming that a university is part of the category units of physical infrastructure rather than of an institution. In the philosophy of mind, Ryle's category mistake argument can be used to support eliminative materialism. By using the argument, one can attack the existence of a separate, distinct mind. The argument concludes that minds are not conscious but collective predicates for a set of observable behavior and unobservable dispositions.